Von Miller signing with the Dallas Cowboys veteran star, joins on a one-year deal. The Dallas Cowboys are making a major move to strengthen their defense, agreeing to a one-year deal with veteran pass rusher Von Miller, according to a source. Miller brings a tremendous amount of experience and proven production to Dallas. Throughout his NFL career, he has established himself as one of the league's most accomplished defensive players, known for his explosive speed, powerful pass-rushing ability, and experience in high-pressure games. The move gives the Cowboys another experienced defensive weapon as they prepare for the upcoming NFL season. Dallas will be hoping that Miller can provide leadership to a defense looking to compete at the highest level. Miller's career includes multiple Pro Bowl selections, All-Pro honors, and a Super Bowl MVP award. He played a major role in the Denver Broncos' Super Bowl 50 championship, producing one of the most memorable defensive performances in Super Bowl history. Now, the veteran defender gets a new opportunity in Dallas. For the Cowboys, the signing is about more than simply adding another name to the roster. Miller's experience could be especially valuable for younger defensive players, while his ability to pressure quarterbacks could give Dallas additional flexibility in its defensive schemes. The biggest question will be how much Miller can contribute at this stage of his career. At his best, he remains a dangerous pass rusher capable of changing a game with one explosive play. The Cowboys will be looking for exactly that type of impact. For Miller, joining Dallas also represents another chance to compete for success with one of the NFL's most recognizable franchises. Cowboys fans will now be watching closely to see how Miller fits into the defensive rotation and whether he can help Dallas take another step toward championship contention. A one-year contract also gives both sides an opportunity to benefit. Dallas gets an experienced veteran without making a long-term commitment, while Miller gets the chance to prove he can still make a significant impact on the field. The signing adds another intriguing storyline to the upcoming NFL season. Von Miller in a Cowboys uniform could be one of the most interesting veteran additions to watch. If he stays healthy and returns to his disruptive form, his presence could make the Cowboys' defense even more difficult for opposing offenses to handle. The Cowboys are clearly looking to strengthen their roster, and bringing in a player with Miller's championship experience sends a strong message. Now all eyes will be on the veteran pass rusher as he begins the next chapter of his NFL career in Dallas.